we go. What do we have? A little Larry or big crappie? That is a monster crappie, everybody. Holy cow. Look at the size of that crappie that came off out here in about 3.5, 4 foot of water. That is a big old crappie on a spinner bait. Morning, everybody. Scott All Out Outdoors. I am out here getting ready to slide down in the city lake. Still waiting on these jack wagons to fix the issue they caused where they blocked off public access. It's getting hard to slide a kayak this far. Then you got a lot of people who are elderly out here fishing who can't even get in here because of the junk that they did. But this is a taxpayer public lake. It has access blocked. Anyway, off the soapbox, I'm going to slide down in here today. Crappie should be spawning any time now, so I'm out here looking for some crappie and looking for pre-spawn largemouth sitting up. Going to be throwing the little kid bait again, the H&H spinnerbait, the one that started a whole bunch of problems for a lot of us guys bass fishing as kids. Going to pitch a float rig on the other side. Whoa, let's see what I can get into. So y'all are along for the ride if I can get here without dumping my whole kayak. Almost got there. We be launched. All right, let's go see what we can get into. What a hit. Oh, I don't know if he's going to make 14. Good thing I got my measuring board this time. Oh, righty. Now, that fat little girl right there is not going to make 14 by any stretch of the means. It's the first fish. How did you get hooked? Inside the mouth, outside the mouth, around the mouth? Good grief. There we go. Look at the fat little dude right there. This chick is a fat one. Oh, got a spinal fracture problem. Oh, fat little broken back 13-incher. Ain't gonna make it. Hanging out in them bushes though. Definite. Keep right out of them limbs and smack that lure. There's a good fish. Maybe not a good one, but a fish. Oh, thanks for splashing me in the face, dude. I appreciate that. Very nice of you. Let's see. Oh, I think that one's going to make the 14 mark, if not 15. Let's see. Mouth closed. Oh, 15 and a half. Y'all know what that means. Ditch pickle dinner. This one's going to fry. But you can't eat largemouth. The Bible says they're holy. No, it doesn't. Largemouth are in the brim family. They eat just fine. There's nothing holy about them. You can keep 5 per person per day and not hurt the population, just like the freaking regulation says. All these people start, keep 25 crappie, nobody bats an eye. You keep 1 largemouth, everybody loses their mind. It's just ridiculous, man. Just another reason to have fish Karens out here complaining. I can't believe you kept a largemouth, but we're all gonna die because you kept a largemouth. Sorry. It seems my sarcasm knows no bounds. What a hit. Golly. That's a better fish. Oh yeah, nice one. Stay on, baby, stay on. Come here, little bass. Ooh, trying to get me with my own hook, are you? Boom. Another 15-incher. Oh, it swung around the thing and got me. It got me. Two keepers. Wow, was it Brookshire's earlier? Oh yeah, I got another fish. You're good luck, Verb. Oh, I lost a big fish. Son of a gun, you're bad luck. I love you, Verb. Bye. Dog it. There we go. What do we have? A little Larry or big crappie? That is a monster crappie, everybody. Holy cow. Look at the size of that crappie that came off out here and about 3.5, 4 foot of water. That is a big old crappie on a spinner bait. Look at that dude, man. Okay, we're maybe gonna have to readjust this process I'm using, and I'm gonna have to go deeper with this cork. Stud of a crappie. So I know there's a deep creek channel right here. You know, it's probably deeper than my paddle is right now, right here. Yeah, that's how deep it is. So I'm in a dilemma as to whether they're sitting up on the little lip up here where the old rocks are or where they are. But I know that I caught one on that dang spinnerbait. For sure. So do I need to cast up and get where I'm so shallow I'm on bottom and then bring it out for that lip? What do I need to do here? And that's still standing right there. Good grief. There we go. Oh, I don't know what that is, but it's fighting good. Big crappie. I might have found him right here off of that lip. Whoop, I'm not supposed to boat flip. Big crappie. Good grief, people, look at that. I might have just figured it out. I've been looking for days. Man, I might have just figured it out. Let's find out off this lip right here. That is outstanding. There's two crappie, and two Larrys. Hey, I gotta go. I gotta fish. Later. Oh my gosh, what a crappie. Holy cow, what a crappie. Come here, big old fella. Golly. Would you look at that? Yeah. And I mean literally ate the jigs in the very, very bottom of the throat. What a freaking monster crappie that is. Holy cow. Come on, come out. Look at the size of that pig. Golly. 3 crappie, 2 largemouth. Come here, fellas. Y'all can't be getting tangled up now. All right. Oh. Nice big old crappie. Man, it's crazy. Like you go, nothing, and all of a sudden it's like a boom. You get one. But it's better than none, I'll tell you that. 4 big crappie, 2 largemouth. How's that for a stringer, people? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a bass. Oh, that's a larger. That's a largemouth. And a keeper largemouth. All right. Come here, largemouth bass. Oh, yeah. He's got that. Okay, 3 bass, 4 crappie. I got quite a thing going here. I need 2 more bass and 21 more crappie to have a double limit. I need 4 if I keep getting in the boat. Oh, slow rolling that one. All right, 4 Larrys, 4 crappie. What a day. I was reeling that one real slow trying to hook my old fishing rod I lost last year. But I have a mess. Oh, what a smashing hit that is. Number 5 here is a good one. Keep the head down, keep the head down. Oh yeah. Come on, turn on the whip. Number 5. Well, limit of Larrys. I still got to catch 21 more crappie if I want to limit a crappie too. Oh. Say, I got some fish. Well, this is it, everybody. Got here. Oh, There's the damage. We have 5 largemouth and 4 big crappie. I mean, some of these crappie are freaking massive. Look at that dude right there. These are 15-inch long largemouth if you want to compare them. That one's 18. But we got dinner. Got to remember, all you people who freak out because I'm eating a ditch pickle or a largemouth, they were put here for us to eat. If you can keep 5 a day, every day you go fishing, you're not going to hurt the population. I am not a trophy fisherman. I am a subsistence fisherman, which means I'm catching food to eat. Okay? I'm not doing it for sport. You sport guys, release all you want. But don't bash other sportsmen for keeping their dinner, all right? There's enough of these tree-hugging hippie jokers out there to give us all problems without sportsmen harming other sportsmen because we don't do it their way. If it's legal for you to dump corn in your part of the world and hunt deer, do it. All you people who aren't allowed to do it, shut up and keep hunting. That's all we need to do. Keep being sportsmen. Keep spreading the word of the sportsman and make our world better for the sportsmen without harming each other because we don't do it your way. I don't like trot lines, but you're not going to hear me bashing somebody who has a trot line. You know, if it's legal to do, have at it. Well, thanks for the blessing y'all are to my family. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.